What's up, everyone? Viper here with Friday scratch off action. Today we're going to be doing $2 million gold rush and then money explosion. Before we get started, just a reminder we'll be going live Sunday 3 p.m. in this friend group pool. We're going to be playing Power Fives. Megan Phillips picked the book. If you can't get that, it'll be Ultimate Cash. Really hoping we can get the Power Fives. We got Rel 713 and Ned Evelyn. Tennessee Dud Scratcher, Annette DeCrow, Megan Phillips, Tara Tressler, Bam Bam, Viper, Rel 713, and Christy Flake with those half spots. Also, just want to let everybody know I'm going to take a break from the giveaways. So there won't be no giveaways for a while. So just want to let you all know ahead of time. I'm gonna be taking a break from the giveaways. So. Okay, so that's going to do it for the announcement. So let's get rolling on here. Ticket number 20. This one here, if we match two prize-like amounts. Let me see here. Let me zoom in a little bit and see it. Yeah, okay. All right, so we're going to match two prize-like amounts. We win that prize. Okay, nothing there. Of course, this has a win-all capability. That number up there. The only symbol we're looking for is the stack of cash. So let's see if we can find a stack of cash. If not, maybe we'll just try to find. I know this ain't my scratcher doing this. Let me see something here. Oops, all over the place. Maybe it is. Maybe my scratcher's just too beat to use anymore. No matter how many times Damn, I'm all over the place today. Alright. Oops. Sorry, everybody. I'm not doing a very good job this Friday, as I can see. As you can see. Alright, last row. Alright, is that the last? Yeah, it is the last row. Okay, so we didn't find any any symbols. So let's see if we can find a match. All right, 21. Let's see what we got here. 56, 22, 24, 20, 23, 27. All right, no, I'm not really sure why I keep getting glares like this. Never have this. It's like only happens once in a while, and I do the same thing. I mean, I set this up the same way. All right. Maybe it's the tickets, certain tickets. 30, 37, 38, 32, 35, 31, no 30. 55, 54, 56, 59, 53, no 55. 15, 13, 10, 14, 16, 11, 17, and 19. All right, last one. Then we'll check the win-all number. 25, 22, 24, 20, 23, 27. All right, no 25. So let's look at the win-all number. Win-all number is 44. 44. We got the 48, 49, 46, 40. I don't see a 44 either. Okay, so that one looks like it's a loser. Let's clear this table here and do the last ticket for the day. Ticket number 3, Gold Rush, $2 million Gold Rush. Up here, we're looking for a stack of coins for 100. Stack of cash for 200. And that money bag for 5. Okay, neither one. Down here, we're looking for a safe for auto win. Pot of gold for 20 times. And to win all 40 prizes, you need that treasure chest. So let's see if we can find any symbols. Maybe it was the ticket. They having no problem scratching this one. All right, so no symbols. So let's see if we can find a match. Oops. There we go. That'll work. All right, first number. Looking for a 14. 14, 19, 12, 17, 15, 11. 16, 13, no 14, 28, 25, 29, 23, 24, 22, 20, 26, no 28, 46, 43, 44, 49, for 46, 42, 48, 45, 47, no 46. Number 10, 7, 12, 6, 7. It's number 10, we got a match, okay, so it's not going to be a Buster-Rooney today. That's a good thing. Alright, I didn't see any more other 10s. I don't know if they do that on a Gold Rush double numbers. Alright, here we go. 27, 25, 37, 51. Looking for 27, 29, 23, 24, 22, 20, 26. No 27. All right, last number, and then we'll see what we got. 18. We got 19, 12, 17, 15, 16, 13. I don't see an 18. Okay. All right. So since this is the last ticket of the day, we'll just zoom on in and see what we got for a win. Single match on number 10. And that'll be $40. Okay. All right. So it was a $50 session. Got 40 back. Only 10 down. Take that all day. All right. I appreciate y'all watching. Oh, also remember, tomorrow is Members Live when I get back. Hopefully maybe by 3, the latest. We'll see how it goes. All right. So that's going to do it for today. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.